Yung taxi ba, magkano yun, te, papunta ng city lang? Yan, I think that's their taxi area. Let's go there. Hello, kuya. Puerto Pension Hotel lang. Puerto Pension? Saan po? Yung yellow and puti, isa lang yan? Pero, pero pag yellow, baka special hindi. Pareho lang. Okay, kasi sa Manila. Okay, thank you. Itong resibo, para importante may receipt and 300. Let's go, go, go guys! Kaya na tayo. Yan, so yan. Kuya, ilang units lang kayo dito?
20 lang, sir.
Bakit 20 lang kayo? Ang daming turista. Paano kung lalago yung turista?
Ano sir, kasi
turismo.
Ano sir parang nalugi yung isang company.
Oh my God.
Local dialect sir ng Palawan sir, Cuyunon.
Cuyunon?
Yes po.
Parang sound niya na Bisaya, na parang yes, sir, Ilonggo, na
Bisaya ng parang ano siya sir.
Pahiligay nun, nag-mix-mix na lahat.
Parang ganun sir. Mas malapit siya sa
right, Panay Island. Guys, ang bilis, nandito na tayo. Let's get out. Ayan. Or basta Sunday.
Yes sir, salamat po.
Thank you. Good morning. Maayong aga. Maayong kaagahon.
So ito nga pala sa yung
susi.
And ito po yung aming wifi
password. Very strong, stable internet nila dito sa Puerto Pension. Early breakfast. This is the menu. Ayan, hatid na tayo ni... What's your name, ma'am? Ha? Jinky. Let's go. Lakas makabali ito. Grabe, lakas mong babae ka. Wala, grabe ka. Ganun mo na lang taga Puerto pa. Uy, tulungan na kita. Uy, sabihin nila dito, hindi ako napaka-gentleman ko naman. Paano ba? Paano pa kita matulungan? One step at a time. Sabi, ano ba kinakain nyo dito? Lakas-lakas nyo. Sabi pala mga kababaihan sa Puerto Princesa, talaga abanse, babae ba? Abanse. According kay Alexi May Brooks na top 10 lang. So this is where we're gonna stay. And that's my room. Basta air condition yan, te ha. Ililipat naman ako ni ate. I-room tour ka pa ba sila? I-tour mo na lang. Ikaw na lang mag-tour. Go na.
Ano? Lang, sir. Kung nalipat ka, sir.
Iba pa to? Sige.
Medyo malaki kasi yung
okay.
Yung talaga ito maliit.
Pero yung bukas, ililipat mo ko sa bongga.
Yes. Hindi ko sa bongga, sir. Pero yung ano talaga.
Yung carry.
Oo.
Sige, thank you.
Thank you, sir. Enjoy your stay here,
thank
sir.
You so much.
Thank you, sir.
It's my key. Thank you, ma'am.
Oh.
Of course. Ito yung CR natin. Okay. Yan na. Yan. Okay. Mabango siya, guys. Maputi, plain, malinis. It's a big bed. And that's it. Of course, we'll turn on the air AC. And yung view natin. Yan. Oh, look at that. Okay, and that's mural painting. And importante may ref. Okay. The start of our Puerto Princesa adventure starts now. Yes, mga ka-fab, I'm back. And thank you for watching as always. Thank you for your support, mga ka-fab. Here at my channel, you are just sonified. This is going to be another exciting vlog episode. This is my first time to be here in Puerto Princesa, kaya I'm excited. And of course, i-vlog natin to our stay here at Puerto Pension. I chose this location because sobrang lapit niya sa mga attractions and tourist spots here in this place. And we'll see if we're gonna enjoy here. Kaya ano pa hinintay nyo? Let's staycation here together. And if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please do so that you're part of my hotel staycation adventures here in the Philippines and abroad. Tara na. The vacay starts now. Ayun, thank you kuya. Glass. Mga ka-fab, hindi na masyado mainit kaya tara na, labas na tayo. And as always, if you're an avid follower of this channel, you know what I do after I check in. After resting for a few hours is to explore the city. Explore the nearby interesting places. Nearby hotel. Nearby on this hotel. Ayan. Ayan, may nagdidilig na hapon na. Iba nga ng vibe dito talaga sa Puerto Princesa. Okay, let's go, go, go. Tanong-tanong tayo, punta tayo sa SM. Basta malapit ito kasi ito sa SM Puerto Princesa eh. Walking distance lang. Ito ay question lang, yung Puerto Princesa SM City, pa ganun ba or pa ganun?
Pa kaliwa, sir.
Diretso na lang
Yes,
yan, no?
po, pa kaliwa ko.
Hindi na ako magliko-liko. Diretso.
Diretso nyo lang po, sir. Mga, kung lalakarin nyo, sir, 10 to 15 minutes away po.
Kaya naman.
Bandang kanan po siya.
Kaya naman.
Yes,
okay,
kaya
thank you.
Po, ingat, sir. See you later.
Yes. Let's go mga ka-fab. Turn left daw. 10 to 15 minute walk. Kunan ulit natin yung shot yung hotel. Ayan, that's how it looks like. At very greenery. May mga kahoy kasi eh. Ayan. And just keep on walking. Sabi niya, dire-diretso lang daw. Ala, ito na yung Holy Trinity University, oh. Ang lapit lang. Okay. Tara mga ka-fab, samahan niyo ako maglakad-lakad dito sa malapit sa hotel ko, which is the Puerto Pension. Beach, beach, beach. So relaxing. Medyo mainit pa mga guys. So, sige lang. Nandito na tayo sa labas. Ilaban na natin tong walking around the area na to. Just keep on walking mga ka-fab. We're so close to the city center of Puerto Princesa. I can even see Jollibee here. And of course, the public market. Puntahan natin yan mga ka-fab by the following day. The following days, not for now. Ito talaga random exploration lang to sa mga places that's near Puerto Pension. So very accessible siya. I love the location of the hotel because you're so close to the city center. And I see here Chinatown Center. I don't know, is that what parang version nila na Chinatown here? Yan, Chinatown. Tapos parang mayroong supermarket, NCCC supermarket. Dito tayo maglakad sa shade part. Mainit kasi. Ayan mga ka-fab, nakikita ko na ang SM Puerto Princesa. Let's just drop by there. I think it's very customary. In every places we go, we always drop by sa nearest SM. Because sabi nga nila, they've got it all for you. Yun doon tayo nang galing mga ka-fab. Yun ang nilakad natin. And of course, we're going to SM Puerto Princesa. So we asked someone kung saan pwede tumawid dito. Anywhere lang daw kasi wala naman daw pedestrian lane. So let's do that mga ka-fab. Let's cross. Tara, tawid na tayo mga ka-fab. Let's go. Push na natin yan kahit walang pedestrian lane. Just be extra careful with the cross and ensure that you are be alert, be attentive. And ito na nga yung main entrance ng SM. Let's go inside. Yan na muna mga ka-fab. See you later. But for now, this is our first stop here at SM Puerto Princesa. Ang lapit lang niya sa hotel ko. Like 5 minutes actually. See you later! After ng SM guys, ito tayo napadpad sa street food corner here at Puerto Princesa. here in the Puerto Princesa City Center. Explore pa natin itong mga markets nila dito. I want to check na rin yung wet market nila. Because you know, if you say wet market, that's really the heart and soul of the culture of the place that you are visiting. Kasi andyan yung the food that they're selling to the people, they're eating. So that's the really, for me, it's really the heart and soul of it. Ang cute ng mga native Abaca products, rattan products. So, sige, okay lang. All roads lead to the main road. Ganun lang yan, yung concept, your mindset mo of exploring places that's your first time to visit. Oh, dito na tayo sa Puerto Princesa Public Market. Oh my God, dito talaga tayo dumaan sa basurahan. Baho. Ano kaya itong pinipilahan na to? Parang mga tusok-tusok lang din. So guys, mga fab, naglalakad na tayo back to our hotel kasi we have a dinner date with some of my friends here sa Baywalk nila. So excited din ako mapuntahan yan. Ang lapit lang I think 1 minute pa, that's Puerto Pension already. Para exercise na rin. Another 5-minute walk. So 6, 7, mabilis ka 3 minutes. Yun na pala yung Baywalk. So dyan tayo papasok later. Balik na tayo sa hotel to drop off yung mga pinamili natin sa SM. And we'll have dinner there with some of my friends. That's our Pension Inn Hotel. And we are back. And we are here na sa Puerto Princesa City Baywalk. Nag-freshen up lang tayo, naligo, just to ensure na fresh naman tayo. Kasi imi-meet natin yung mga friends. Meet natin yung mga friends natin. We'll have dinner. Ayun, hanap-hanap tayo ng mga masasarap na restaurant dito. Hindi tayo nag-research Medyo lang tayo ngayon. Come as we go. Anything happens. Anything goes pala. Nadaanan natin tong aquatic fish breeding. Wow, beautiful. The underwater world. Ang ganda. Mukhang masarap. Magkano yung per stick, te? 15. Sige, thank you. So, this is the Baywalk. Baka ito yung kahabaan nito, no? A lot of restaurants that we can choose from. Ang ganda naman, very peaceful, very calm. There's not so much noise. When I think of Palawan, I think of a very colorful, majestic peacock. Masarap lang maglakad. I love it. So peaceful, so serene, and so calm. So katatapos lang natin mag-dinner mga ka-fab, and we're back sa hotel natin here at Puerto Pension. Hinihingal pa tayo, sorry, nilalakad lang kasi natin at may dala tayong mineral water para safe. Okay, let's go. So itong itsura ng Pension Inn natin sa gabi, when all it's dark and all is there is lights. Hey, maganda pala siya pa sa gabi kasi puro lights. Doon mo ma-appreciate yung beauty ng lugar. Ganda ng mga pailaw. Ayan, there you go. Kunan pa ulit natin ng shot. There, that's how the Puerto Pension looks like at night. Maliit lang siya, very cozy. It's a small place, parang hanggang 2-story lang yata siya eh. So, nasa second floor tayo. Akyat-akyat. Kunan ulit natin ng shots. There you go. So, ayan mga ka-fab. That's it for now. Day 1 here at Puerto Princesa. See you tomorrow. So, that means good night for now.
The following day.
Good morning! Maayong aga here at Puerto Pension at Puerto Princesa. It's breakfast time. So what I did is I went upstairs. It's in the 3rd floor, yung breakfast center nila. And I already gave instruction kung ano yung gusto kong meal. By the way, they only have one option that's included in the free breakfast, and that is an American breakfast. Now, if you wish to order their silog meals, my additional fee, it's not included. So, tip mga ka-fab is that if you're in a hurry in the morning, while you're taking a bath or doing something, you go straight to the breakfast center, so taas at the 3rd floor, and give the instructions to create or to get ready your American breakfast. So that will, while they're doing that and you're doing your stuff, you go up and it's done already. So that's my tip. So yeah, kaya mga fab, let's go now. I think siguro luto na yun. It's past 9 already. It's been raining last night, a little bit cloudy. And nasa 2nd floor tayo mga ka-fab. What I love in this hotel, there's a lot of greeneries, there's a lot of trees that adds charm to this pension or this hotel. Gusto ko to, I love this. 2 carved images of men and women. Naamoy ko na sinigang. And of course, this is so beautiful. Ayan na, ready na te. Ayan. So yan. It's American breakfast, no?
Continental breakfast.
Okay. Continental breakfast, mga ka-fab. So dito naman, try naman natin dito umupo. Ay, dito na lang pala. Tapos sa yung drinks, ano nga yung choices ng drinks, te?
4 season and pineapple po.
Oh, yun. 4 season yung isa naman. Hindi, chocolate, hot choco. Okay, alright. You might be wondering kung bakit 2. Because naka-default siya na good for 2 person. So you can claim the other meal and eat it by yourself. There. So no need of breakfast options tour because they're serving continental breakfast. This includes cooked bread. You can choose a scrambled or sunny side up banana jam and butter and some veggies. Yan. So ito yung view dito while you're eating your breakfast. Yan. You can see there, that's a Baywalk. Yan, makikita mo siya dito. That's your view while eating your breakfast. So, wala tayong kasama ngayon. Solo tayo. Maybe tapos na yung iba na they've eaten already their breakfast. Kaya, that's what is here. That's what you will see and experience while eating your breakfast here at Puerto Pension. Yung mga silog nyo, magkano? Kung order ako ng silog, magkano? Magkano yung dadagdag?
Dito po siya, sir.
So, babayad ako ng 200?
Yes, 200, 250, 170.
So, kahit guest ka, may free ka na breakfast na continental. Kung itong in-order mo, mababayad ka pa ng buo na 200. Tama ba?
Yes po.
Hindi mo tinanong yun. Ay, guest siya, may free siya. Hindi ko na makiklaim to kasi ito yung pinili ko. 200 pa rin ang babayaran.
Yes po, sir.
Paano to? Paano tong continental breakfast?
Dito po kasi sir, yung kapag ganito po yung orderin nyo, automatic po siya, may bayad po talaga
Oo nga,
siya, sir.
magkano ang babayaran?
Kung magkano po yung price dito, yun po siya.
Hindi ko na nga i-claim to. Ito na lang, magdadagdag na lang daw ako. 200 pa rin.
Opo, ganun pa din.
So, kailangan nyo pa rin i-claim to.
Kailangan pa rin i-avail yung...
So, nag-suggest siya dito. Hindi niya na i-claim to. Ito ang, dagdag na lang siya. Pero hindi siya dapat magbayad ng 200 kasi hindi niya na i-claim ang continental breakfast. Suggestion lang naman.
Yes,
kasi mga Pinoy, we're Filipinos and we love to eat
Filipino breakfast.
rice. That's what I'm expecting of all the hotels that I've been to. Rice meals is included in the morning. Even Go hotels, they would even offer not. But you know what? I have no choice. That's just my suggestion para ma-improve pa yung service. Okay, thank you. Hello mga ka-fab. Just to let you know, baka hindi ko pa kayo na-inform. Nilipat na tayo ng room ha. Dito na tayo sa second floor. 2 days ago. Kaya nilipat nila tayo sa much, I think I would say nicer room, much bigger, and yung TV mas malaki, and of course hinihingal ako kasi paakyat tayo, second floor tayo eh. Kasi yung I think mas malaki yung toilet and bath. Of course ito yung view mo, walang view. Yan. So just to let you know, nilipat tayo dito. Sa unang, nakikita nyo naman sa vlog ko, diba? Room tour tayo mga ka-fab. So, dito na tayo. Ito na yung parang your own space here outside. And that will be your view. There's the Baywalk and a lot of trees and greeneries. There it is. My new room. Room 21. There you go mga ka-fab. Nag-brown out yata sa isla mga ka-fab. Patay. Brown out eh. Brown out. Wala eh, nangmigla na lang namatay. After an hour, bumalik naman yung kuryente mga ka-fab. So, back to normal. Later on, try natin yung jacuzzi nila. Mga ka-fab, nagpa-schedule na tayo kaninang umaga that we'll have our jacuzzi session around 6 p.m. So that means that you have to inform the front desk kayo para you can avail and use that free service, one of the amenities of, you know, checking in this hotel, this Puerto Pension. So 5 minutes before 6 we have to go there and check it out and start and enjoy the jacuzzi. Oo, 6 p.m. Iwan ko muna dyan, Daya. So waiting lang, pinapapuno pa nila yung jacuzzi for now. Upo na ito yung open lobby nila. So may mga sofa sila, you can sit here and just relax while waiting. This is the receiving area na rin. Nag-brown out yata sa isla mga ka-fab. Patay. Brown out eh. Brown out. Wala eh, nangmigla na lang namatay. After an hour, bumalik naman yung kuryente mga ka-fab. So, back to normal. Later on, try natin yung jacuzzi nila.
A few minutes later.
I-carry na raw. Let's go. Ito yung jacuzzi area nila. Ate needs to prepare before you can use the jacuzzi. You have to fill it with water and put bubble bath in here. Ay, may bubble bath. Ayun. So steady lang yung bula-bula. I mean yung ganon. Continuous lang siya, no? Sige. Okay.
Nagbigay po ba namin ng tubig, sir? Enough na po.
Dagdagan konti. Oo, dagdagan. Steady lang yan, no? Pwede na ba lumusong?
Opo, sir.
O, pwede na raw lumusong mga ka-fab. Okay lang yan kasi umulan naman eh.
Opo.
Ayan, so let's go and enjoy. Ito tayo dumaan. So iwan natin yung tsinelas natin. Ito na yung view. Oo, dyan na lang, te. Oo. Ayan, so you can you know, dive in there, the pool, jacuzzi pool, and it will be your, this is what you'll see around you. Let's dip in na, mga ka-fab. Ay, medyo warm yung water.
Nang-pa-picture, sir. Gusto nyo lang po dito sa last week.
Ay, sige po. Ayan.
Lang po kayo ng F.O., sir.
Oo. Mas maganda to pag tumaas yung tubig later.
Opo.
Para saka na ako magpa-picture. Diba? Picturing. At pindutin ko yung...
Ito po, sir, yung sa side po na PPP.
Okay, sige. Ayan, ganun.
F.O. lang po kayo.
Ganun ka super service ito yung Puerto Pension. And of course, we bubble bath. So that's what I see in there. Relaxing, refreshing, at the same time with a lot of greeneries. You feel like you're in the midst of a forest. You feel like you're in Bali, shall we say? But this is just here in Puerto Princesa here at Puerto Pension.
The following day.
Ayan, thank you. Hello, good morning mga ka-fab. It's our last day here at Puerto Pension. So, this is not a breakfast tour. It is just I want to show it to you that they've decided to, on my last day, they have decided that on my last day, they'll have me experience their silog meals, and it's for a free upgrade already. So that's just a very customer service, nice gestures for their guests who are staying here in Puerto Pension. Ayun na nga, ayun. So long silog to na may ketchup. So thank you so much, Puerto Pension. So of the past few days you've been eating, thank you ma'am, past few days been eating continental breakfasts, bread and jam, but now we get to taste the silog meals here at Puerto Princesa at Puerto Pension. Maayong aga, let's eat na.
A few minutes later.
Mga ka-fab, that's the end of our stay here at Puerto Pension Inn, your friendly Eco Pension. So mag-check out na tayo. And I'm ready. And of course, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You are just notified, so you are part of my every hotel staycation adventures, not only here in the Philippines but abroad as well. So a little quick fab talk review about my stay here. I would definitely recommend you guys staying here if you are in Puerto Princesa. The location is perfect. You're close to everywhere in the city center. I love the service. It's simple, very homey, and it's full of greeneries. I love the Bali vibe. And yeah, definitely it's like my stay here is very comfortable and relaxing as well. I enjoyed the jacuzzi moment I had last night. And of course, thank you to all staff of Puerto Pension for your warm hospitality. So there you go mga ka-fab. As always, don't forget to embrace life not just beautifully but fabulously. Thank you so much mga ka-fab. And of course, thank you to Puerto Pension Inn here at Puerto Princesa. Goodbye room. Until next time. Thank you Puerto Pension Inn. Tara na mga ka-fab. Check out na tayo. Ito lang talaga challenge lang pag bumaba ka sa stairs pag if you have a heavy baggage. Pero stairs. One stair at a time. Just one stair at a time. Just keep going. We're almost there. Ayan, finally may tumulong sa atin. Thank you, Kuya. Ayan, checking out. Airport na lang, bigay na dyan na. Diba? Picture na to.
Mga guests ko, mga na-servicean.
Pinicturan mo sila?
Yes, mga na long drive.